Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here, finally here, to show you the July papers. We are still in June doing the papers of the past events. Yesterday I did a pop-up challenge, and you can still enter until next week. The entry date for the other entries for the LDA pop-up, no, not the pop-up challenge, sorry, for the LDA papers of the past will end on June 30, so you have until June 30 to enter. But for the pop-up challenge you can enter until next Friday. Saturday next week we are going to start the first week challenge with new free challenge papers, and this month paper is the Press Ink Memories. Now you've probably seen these papers already floating in Two Sister Jam because the retreat was with this kit. I made this especially for the Two Sister Jam. It is Two Sister Jam retreat kit, the first retreat they're doing this year. It's a slimline. I got some requests mostly from Stacy, and I tried to put everything in that she wanted. And we did a show and tell video before the retreat starts so the ladies would know what they would be receiving, but it was not listed in my Etsy because those ladies purchased these kits weeks ago when they offered a retreat bundle also and the places for the retreat. It comes in A4 size and also in US letter size, and it has 25 pages with botanical items. I printed mine, some of the papers from this kit, but also from the grungy paper set. And I also believe the lined paper, the slimline paper that comes in blue, pink and brown and yellow. Those are printed on the back side. But this is one of the collage papers. It needed to be neutral with lots of botanical and every now and then a hint of color. And there needed to be people in, and it needed to be 25 papers at least. Well, it is 25 papers. And yeah, we're going to play with these. Another collage sheet. And like I said, hints of colors. And there's a little something over here, to SJ, it says. Okay, there's the helper again. Not really helping. Please go off the desk. Sweetie, you are on the desk on a very bad moment. Okay, he's off. More ledger patterns. There are different patterns in this sheet. Some advertisement, newspaper, but people, clocks, stamps, florals, more florals, some stitching throughout. Yeah, a lot of things going on this paper. And this is one of the papers that I also backed on the previous one. Another collage sheet. This is one of my favorite papers, by the way. And then you have the ephemera, tags, journal cards, little pieces, more tags, little elements to decorate. You can fold these together, but you can also create 4 different kits, tags, not kits, tags of course. Then we have these large tall tags with the pockets. Of course, more tags, more botanical, like neutral pocket, and a little, you can create this, you can turn this into a little booklet, little bits and bobs to, well, embellish. I have added more pockets and more tags on here. A receipt, some elements to decorate, more elements to decorate, and you can turn this into a booklet or a side sock or a belly band or a journal card. I have a strip over here, film strip, tickets, beautiful botanical images, little elements to add. And then there is the ladder also request, smaller items to use, and an envelope with a journal card that actually fits in this envelope. Now you can also print 2 on 1 page, and then you have smaller items to play with. Like for these, I would definitely print these 2 on 1 paper too. I didn't do that now, but I would do that when I would be working with them. And I did work a little bit with this yesterday during the live for the retreat, for the Two Sister Gem retreat. But yeah, this is listed in my Etsy. It will be on sale with a 25% discount throughout the whole month of July. If you use this kit and enter in the Facebook group using the hashtag LDA July challenges, your post is 2 entries. And if you only use the free papers, your post is 1 entry. Now there is not a challenge released yet. You can purchase the kit already, get ready for next week's challenge, but you can't do the challenge yet, but you can post with your makes with these papers, of course. And I'm just showing you the papers again. So yeah, this is going to be listed in my Etsy, and I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the papers, and maybe you would like to leave me a comment, leave me a like. And if you're new to my channel, maybe you wanted to be a subscriber, I have a Facebook group too. Everything is linked down below this video, but the Facebook group, everything on every platform, I'm line.arrow, and line.arrow is all in one word, not line space dot space arrow. It's line.arrow, one word. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.